Yo. Yo. This one's for my boy Andrew, lives in the fucking Batterboy area. You know?
Phil.
You know?
David Goodman.
I'm the man from Petersfield, it's full of stoners. The population is full of guys and we all continuously get bonus. Hey, it's not my fault, we're okay, taking up the bomb, it's all the way to get payday. I live in a weird place full of little scum who for a living take it up the bum. But don't get it twisted, I also do it for fun. Mate, it's full of drunk pricks who are so fucking thick. If they get Larry, the head will get a kick. The kids are on heroin, crack and cocaine. If they double cross me, they'll feel the pain. Mate, this town is quite lame, it's always the fucking same. Swing and drugs, it's all we need, it's so fucking easy to find weed. All these chavs, criminals and drug dealers have done a bad thing. Turn my hometown into hell. Hope these pricks guess what's coming to them and live the rest of their lives in a cell. And all they will answer to is a horn that bell. What am I saying? I love the drugs, but it costs a lot of money. It turns everything in the world quite funny. Even when it's rainy, I feel sunny. I find any way to get dough, but the drugs turns my actions very slow. One thing we lack is chicks. We have a lot of cocky pricks, but still I wouldn't say I'm gay. I would say I'm bad. Without drugs, I reckon I would die. So it's quite depressing, isn't it? This is one girl with moving to my ends. I don't care if she's not fit, she could be a pig. I just want someone convenient to stick my dick. Mate, I know how this sex thing works, I ain't thick.